Earlier in 2020, Ionic introduced its new V4 Thermopure window cleaning system. V4 is the fourth generation of the original reach and wash system introduced in 1997. At that time, we announced that this was the future of window cleaning. Many called that a gimmick, but today the squeegee and ladder it replaced seem old-fashioned. In 2001, we introduced a heated pure water window cleaning system. We called it Thermopure. Again, some called it a gimmick. 17 years later, Ionic's Thermopure systems are sold worldwide to window cleaners who recognise that only quality systems deliver quality results. It's plain to see Ionic's latest V4 Thermopure option oozes quality. When viewed in the back of your van, your customers will feel assured that you've invested in providing them with the very best window cleaning service. V4 Thermopure is technically superior in many ways too. The 9 kilowatt diesel-powered water heater draws its fuel from the vehicle's own fuel tank. Purified water produced by the industrial-sized water filters stored in the perfectly baffled holding tank can either be heated on demand or it can be heated more economically by preheating the pure water prior to use. As well as reducing fuel consumption, preheating also comes with the benefit of preventing winter frost damage to system components and a frost-free windscreen. The system cleverly optimises performance of the diesel heater by constantly cycling constant temperatures are maintained on both the summer and winter settings. Provided the instructions are followed, many years of service can be expected. Many of our early Thermopure customers are still operating their original machines today, although not in their first or second or even third van. Let's talk about the filters on the V4 Thermopure and explain the job that they do. These filter housings are of polymer construction on the Fusion model and upgraded to stainless steel for the Fusion S, like the ones we see here. Stainless housings enable the filters to operate at even higher pressures, which further improves the rate at which pure water is produced. The first filter is the carbon filter. This removes chlorine and volatile organic compounds from the water. The second is the 5-micron SEDIMENT filter. This traps particulates larger than 0.005 millimeters in size and ensures RO performance. Third is the RO filter, the reverse osmosis filter. This is an advanced process where water is forced through a semi-permeable membrane which rejects up to 99% of remaining impurities. And the remaining permeate RO water is passed through a fourth DE-IONISING filter to achieve superior water quality. The V4 Thermopure uses John gas fittings throughout, ensuring a neat and leak-free design. It's available in tank sizes from 500 right up to 1,000 litres to suit all types of commercial vans, and only requires mains water pressure to fill tap water and filter it down to 0 parts per million purity. At Ionic, we only use high-quality components and superior design within our machines, and there would be little point if the overall package was not designed to last a lifetime. That's why we pride ourselves in only using stainless steel in the construction. Rust-free stainless steel guarantees day one strength of our crash-tested design. Ionic machines are the ones that all high-end window cleaners aspire to own, even if they chose a cheaper stepping stone system to begin with. At Ionic, our focus has always been on quality, not on price. However, if you divide our price over the many years of productive ownership you'll enjoy, then you'll quickly see that Ionic's machines always work out cheapest in the medium to long term. For more detailed information about the V4 Thermopure, click on the link below. Thanks for watching.